friends, Assalam-o-Alaikum, and once again welcome back to my channel Amazing Tech. Friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you make a sniper intro for your YouTube channel or for your name or anything. If you want to wish someone his birthday or any such kind of thing, so for that you can make that intro. Mostly it's used for YouTube channel. So friend, this is the intro which I'm showing you right now on the screen. So friend, in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you make this sniper intro. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to simply search for Panzoid. I search Panzoid.com and then open Panzoid.com. Click on this clip maker. And then what you have to do is you have to go down, drag it down, and here will be some option which you will see more creations. Click on the more creation and then you will see a search for sniper. I search sniper and this is the sniper intro. You have to select this one. After clicking on that, open in clip maker. So friend, this will take a little bit time, so just wait. Or you can also choose some other if you want. You can also choose this one, or you can click on this. If you want to click on this, then it will also open in the clip maker. It's being loaded, just 1 or 2 seconds more and it will be loaded very soon. So friends, it has been loaded. Now I will show you that how can you make this intro of your own name. So first of all, you have to click on this 3D box and then you have to go down and search, look for text and group. So here is the text and group. So first of all, click on text and then change here what you want to write. I'll click on this I button so that we can see what is being written. And see, Fox is written over there, so I will change it to my name. For example, my name is Farhan, so whatever your name is, you will write here FR and then click enter. Now you can see here on this place it's changed to Farhan. First the Fox was written there. So friend, after that what you have to do is you have to click on the group, and here if you want to write something, it's your own choice, but it will be on the back of Farhan. So I'm just gonna leave it blank so that nothing is written behind my name. So for you can change the font. I'll just keep this one, or it's not good, I'll just keep this one. It's better than that. And then what you have to do is you have to simply, if you want to change the size, thickness and whatever your choice, you can change the bevel size. Bevel details are also here. After that you have to do what you do, you have to click on this download button and start video render. So friends, this will take a little bit time, so I'll skip the video from here and show you after the video is rendered. So guys, now the video has been rendered. Now you can even return to the editing, or you can download your video directly from here. So I don't need to edit the video anymore, so I'll just download it. And I click on the download. Thank you for using Panzoid. Your download is starting. Now the downloading will start in this left corner. See, the downloading is almost complete, and after the video is completely downloaded, I will show you that the video has been made. So now you can see it. This was a video which I just downloaded right now. So guys, this is here. I will play it and I will show you that it has been made. As you can see here, now it's made for my name, and now see Farhan is written over there. I did not write anything at the background, so that's why there is no text at the back of it. And that's all. This was the way how you make sniper intro of your name or of your YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you will like this video and it will benefit you a lot and it will help you a lot. Thanks for watching and meet you in the next video. With your prayers. Good.